Hey everyone, I am so excited to share a small demo of our Invest Tracker app that I totally designed and built using Figma Make. About this project, this project started as a simple idea, and I just wanted to see like how far I could push end-to-end workflow inside Figma. From UI design to logic, states, data handling, interactions, everything that you see in this is created 100% on Figma Make. You can see on the left hand panel there's a lot of prompt that I did. I think currently I'm on 182 version. So there's a lot of prompt that I give, and I'm working on this for the last 1 or 2 weeks. So in this demo, I will walk you through the core flow of the app, how I structure the components, and how I stitch the screen together using make actions and credit style behavior. So let's jump into this. This I think is currently, you can see this is the animation that you see initially. It's totally built on, like, everything is built on Figma Make. So this is the onboarding screen. Onboarding screen, I keep it very simple. On the top you can see the skip part. Again, there's a bug that this one is coming, but we can remove it. So there are like 4 onboarding things that basically tells you about the whole app, like what are the main core functionality of this. So you can track every penny. Then you can, like, it's 100% private and offline, so all the data you stored, it's in local storage. Then it's a AI powered insight, so I can show you in the later in the demo where we can use the AI to just tell like how my money is flowing from one thing to another, and how we can use our money to save something for the challenges or for the states I'm going to. Then it's a ready to state. Then once I click on get started, you can see the coach markers. So coach markers are nothing, they just tell you what, like, how you flow in the app as a first time user, right? So these are the 4 coach markers. Again, this comes from the prompt, so you can choose any of these. Like if you want to show the light and dark mode is one of the core features, then you can just tell like in the prompt that this is the thing that I want to be in the first part. For me, these are like 4 different functionality. Like first you have to add your money, second you have to add your spendings, whatever spends you do on a daily basis. Then this is the category. Again, this I'll just show you in the demo how you can contribute in this. And then there's an insight flow that basically tells like via the graphs and charts like how you are going invested in the different things. So as I say, so first I'll start adding the money. For now it's a static money, it's not a dynamic, it's not going to fetch from your bank or something from your UPI app. It's completely a static money, so you can put X number of money. For now I'll just add 1,74,000, and I'll start by starting I will start adding some spending. So I'll just click on this. I'll choose a category. For now I have a category of investment. You can see like if I click on shopping, you don't see any subcategory for now, although you can create it later. For investment, you can see like a subcategory also where you can use mutual funds, and I say like I invested 20 or X amount of this into this. It have multiple stocks. Then the date you can put it over here, and you can add a spending. So that's how you can add a spending, and there's a toast is coming on the top. Then there's an insight tab where you can check all your insights, like how the analysis, like for the weekly how much you are investing, how much monthly you are investing, quarterly, yearly, and different things. Then there's a spend trends also. So for now I'll just click on monthly, so you can see the monthly trends, how it's going. Like October, May we have 0, and on November we have like 20,000. Then there are recurring transactions also. So I'll just go back again, and I'll just take a file from my laptop, and I'll just say pay. So I have a transaction history of like that I taking from PhonePe, and I'll just review this transaction. You can see like I'll just take all the things from the PhonePe transaction, whatever I have done till now. And this is not a random data, this comes directly from my transactions, right? And the good part is they automatically suggested like which category comes under this. So when you see in a phone pay or like in XYZ UPI payments, they give you a monthly or like yearly, they can provide you the all the transactions that you have done, right? So you can just copy, like you can just download it from there and just put it into this, and they will bifurcate into multiple things, like how you debited, how your money is debited, right? So you can just say, okay, this is add and approved IKEA. So I just did some shopping on the IKEA. This automatically suggested inside the shopping part, and I'll just quickly add it. Mostly they are on the category, but sometimes suppose this is a panda chai, so it's basically the cafe that I usually go. If I click on this, you can simply suggest to change this category from medical to cafe, and it will add in the cafe part. Again, this is a Royal Brothers, basically it's a Bangalore based rental vehicle, so it automatically comes under my rent, and I'll just quickly say approve and add. And you can see like all these things are automatically added in my respective categories, right? Now if I quickly show you one more feature, that is your set budget. So suppose you have a certain amount of money and you want to say like in the investment part, I will set my budget for 50,000 or like 30,000, let's say. So you can set this budget, and it will automatically it will automatically tells you like how you are spending your money, right? If I just quickly show you a small demo, so if I just add 40,000 into this, and the investment is 30, that's a max. Currently we have 20. If I add 40, it becomes 60. If I just say foreign stocks, I buy like IBM stocks or something, add spending, you can see like this is an over, and on the insights app also you can see like you have exceed your investment budget by 30,000. So these are small features, so it's a kind of thing like you keep adding things and you see multiple new things are coming into this, right? So in this I just quickly add online food order, I'll just say like Zomato or Swiggy, and I'll just add spending. Again, there you can change different things. Suppose you want to change rename this, and I don't want to say like I want very precise, so I always order from Zomato or Swiggy. You can directly change it from here. I'll just rename it and it becomes Zomato for me. And for icon also, you can change the icon to some, I'll just make it coffee, and this automatically changes from here, right? So this is a fully functional app, it's not a very static kind of thing, right? Also, if you want to delete the category, you can just click on this and say online food order. I'll just delete it permanently, and category removed, 900 spending records deleted, not refunded to balance. So that category is completely removed now. You can also create a new category, right? So these are different features that this particular app holds. Again, this is the AI advisor that I actually want to show you. Again, before jumping into this, I'll just quickly show you. So it comes with light mode and dark mode that you can play with. If I click on this AI advisor, it will tell you like what is the highest investment spending you are doing. Saving goal, so aim to save at least 31%. Again, this comes from a very simple logics, right? Then there's a daily spending average. For me, like it's a daily average spending of 2241 per day this month. So these are the AI advisor, so it automatically detects whatever spending you are doing and tells what are the things that you are actually spending on. Then if I go to Insights app, now we have a good amount of data. If I click on this, you can see this week I will spend this amount of money. If I click on month, you can see the graph analysis. Also, this AI prediction, as I tell you, this all the things are comes when you add or once when you start pouring more data into this, right? So this AI prediction was initially was not there, but now it's there. So this basically takes a lot of data. So it takes at least 2 months of data to just predict like how you can predict your money, like is it going up, is it going down, what are the things that you can improve, right? So these are just the AI prediction for now. Then if I click on this, then this is initially was not there, but if you can see, this is a spending patterns. So it will tell you like what is your worst day that you spend, what is your best day. So today I just added both the things, so it's showing like Sunday. But if I just quickly change few things just to show you how it's work. So if I just say like 12 and save changes, and if I just say like Tuesday for this and save transactions, I just click on this, save changes, yeah. So now you can see Wednesday is the worst day, right? Best day is Sunday because I've spent 2,741 for an average, and the worst day is 40,000 because that day I paid the rent, right? Weekend work versus weekends. So weekdays I spend more, weekends I spend less, and it automatically see like what is the monthly trend. Is it increasing? It is decreasing, right? And for recurring transactions, so suppose you have recurring transactions of Amazon, YouTube, or XYZ platforms, right? We all have multiple subscriptions, right? Also, if you tell me like how many subscriptions I hold many, and I can tell you like I have YouTube, I have Amazon Prime, I have Netflix, right? But if you ask me what is the money you are paying, so that's a question I already have, right? Although I know like I have to go to my UPI app and see like how much money I pour into this, but again, for monthly, if I see, I am a little bit confused like how much money I actually pouring to this these apps, right? So for that, you can just click on this, say Spotify, and it comes under, for let's say like I just, for you can say like activities, and the amount is 99 or 199. Frequency is monthly, start date is this, reminder this, and you can add a recurring payment. So it will tell you like, of course, I have to add some more data. Otherwise, in recurring payment also, it tell you like how much you spend in a particular app, like Amazon Prime or Spotify or Netflix, anything. Again, there's a saving goals. So I also later, the main functionality, as you already see, it's just you add money and it will track your how you are spending your money, right? But later down the lines, I also think like how I can add more gamification into this, and that's how it comes, like the saving goals. So saving goals, if I say like I want to do skydiving, the budget is approximately, if I do it in Dubai, it's around this. Deadline, I can say like 12th of 1 2026, and this come under this. I can choose any color, I can create a goal. And you can even add monies, like suppose if you are putting some money in your spending savings account, you can just say like I have saved 80%, 80,000, or like 50% of this, and this actually changes. Then you can even start a challenge, like we all order a lot online, right? So we can just say like no food delivery challenge, we will go out and spend my money. So you can say, you can just set the duration of this target day and start challenges. And once you did all the things, you also get a reward, that is cooking master badge, something like that. That badges will come down there, right? So these are the different things that will come later. Then again, this will show you again some kind of analysis, like daily average transactions. You did 11 transactions this month, sorry. And the top category is it, of course, the investment one. If you can see in charts also, these are the different data that they are showing, and in circular part also you can see investment. Again, I just make a breakout into this because investment can be of any type. It can be mutual funds, foreign stocks, or like XYZ, like gold, silver, anything. And these are the recent transactions that you can see over here, right? So this is the whole app that built on Figma Make. And again, this the main the main thing for this app is to create a PWA also. So in your mobile, you once you open this link, you can even save it in your home screen and you can directly use it. You don't need to go in this link again and again, right? This works simply as a simple app, right? The main part of this is to store your data, right? That is one of the most important feature in this, because every time once you reload this, the data must be there. It will not just like fuse up, right? So for that, we are using the local storage of your own system, of your own mobile, right? So your data will store there. It totally safe, right? It's not storing in a backend or XYZ thing. Later we have a thought of adding it into our backend or into our tables, right? But for now, it's completely on your system only. And it comes with a lot of different things like haptic and sound. So when you add it in your mobile, you can see like it will, whenever you add your spending, it will comes with some kind of sound also. Also, you can see it in a PDF format also. So if I click on this, if I say like PDF, then it will give me a whole monthly expense report of mine, where you can see like the category breakdown, transaction details, and these are the basic 4 modules into this. That is generated by my Wallet app. So if I just quickly summarize this, so this app basically holds your money. Again, this is not a dynamic money, for at least for now. It's a static money completely. It's hold your money. You just say like I have 2 lakh rupees in my bank, and every time you spend something, you just need to add spendings. And for ease, we have also added this voice enable. So in mobile, when you use it, you just voice enable, and you can simply say like add 400 to my shopping. It automatically add it in your shopping. Right. So these are the very small features that I have built till now, and I though like very much shock because this I can see like helps me a lot to track. In my mobile, I can share some screenshots later. So I'm using it for almost like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, and the data that I'm getting is really very useful for me at least, because now I know like where my money flow from one place to another, how much I am paying in the subscription, right? So yeah, for now this is the main. This is the overall that I have built in Figma Make. Soon we are going to release some more features like scan SMS or like scan your email. For that you have to give your access, and that again it totally depends on you. If you give the access of your mail, it will automatically check your mail and tell you have spent like 500 on the online shopping or XYZ things, right? For now, you have to add it manually. Later, it will directly attach to your mail or like SMS, that they auto detect it and tells like how much money you are spending into this. So yeah, thanks for watching it. Soon I will release this link. For now, it's password protected, so you are not able to access it. But yeah, soon I will definitely release it. Thanks for watching.